Hola bonecas, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. This week I am going to be sharing with you everything I got from IKEA. But before I share, cue the vlog. We made it to IKEA.
Yay!
Woo. Cool looking faucet. And this is the pack system.
Oh, we need to
I like the glass doors.
Yeah.
So you can see what you have in there.
I like that too.
Soft close.
That drawer is, it's definitely really nice.
They have one with a mirror too.
I like this color.
Oh, that's pretty. And then if you want a mirror.
Oh, they have mirrors too.
And then
Yeah.
just pick out whatever you want to put in there.
Toss your socks in here.
That's cool.
And these aren't that hard to put together, really.
Yeah.
Nice felt. Yeah, this is totally
We're
happening.
definitely doing one of these.
Yeah,
for
same.
sure.
Steven says this one is a functioning because it's a mirror.
Functionality.
I love these little cash registers. The set is $34.99, but they don't have it in stock, so we'll have to come back to get the full set. These are so cute for our bathroom, like the black, but they are kind of on the expensive side. Amazon has a lot of the style stuff for a lot cheaper, probably by 50 bucks cheaper. We are on a mission to find this really cute basket.
So cute.
It's so cute.
Oh, there's
I'm gonna
one up
show
there,
you what
too.
it looks like. Let's see if I can. Guess how much it costs to ship?
$25 basket. $200 to ship it.
$200 to ship a $25 thing.
And there's supposed to be 8 of them.
Yeah.
And they're all out.
Yep. So we ended up both getting baskets. Look, I got one, and Lindsay got one. Would you like to tell the story?
So I was complaining rather loudly about the basket situation, and this nice lady who had one in her cart decided to give me hers because she knew how much I wanted it, and she found one she liked better.
Isn't that so nice? So they were out of stock technically, and we ended up getting them.
So exciting.
Woohoo!
Also, this is cute. We
Look at how
found this
cute
gorgeous
that
little
is.
watering can.
It's like cream and it has like a gold. Now let's get into the haul. I'm not going to be doing anything in any particular order. I'm just gonna grab and show you what I got. But the first thing that I am so excited about is this basket. Look how pretty, I love it so much. I had seen a video on YouTube where this guy removed the handles, and he also like removed this top over here. He turned it into like a chandelier. The next thing I got, which Lindsay put me on, is this really cute little plant waterer. I love this so much. I love the brass and like the cream color. Next up we have, so I have an over the sink drying rack, but this one is nice and convenient because when that one overflows, you can put this one over the counter and dry your dishes. Like a pan, a frying pan, I guess you can say. It says IKEA 365 Plus. This is heavy duty. It is by no means lightweight. I really like the stainless steel handle, and look how pretty the back is, so shiny. And this is just a pan, more pans. But this one is really cool. It has like a wooden handle. It opens and it has these ridges on here so you can cook meat and all that good stuff. A little heat protector for your pan so you can put on top of the tables or counters. This, sorry, it was getting a little hot, so I just put my hair up. Next is this little gadget for the sink or the dishes. I don't know if I would necessarily recommend it for the sink because I'm not sure if it would scratch your stainless steel sinks. I would just be careful while using this. Next are these containers because you could put them right underneath a sink or on top of anywhere in the pantry even, and you could put labels and it keeps everything nice and organized. They were very inexpensive. I want to say $5 for each little bin. I actually was talking about this in the vlog, but I love this color. It's like a gray, like a very light neutral gray. Very simple, but I love the simplicity of the color and the cup. Very beautiful. Here are the matching plates. We have like a big one and then a smaller one, and I love how flat they are. They look so cool. Now, this big thing, this is huge. This is an easel. If you don't know, I am a teacher and I have a baby boy, so I'm so excited to use this on him. Right over here. It's huge. Okay. Easels are typically like $50, and this one was either 20 or 25, so very inexpensive, and it's so nice. I could just put it in his room and we can write on it. We can use Expo markers, chalkboard. You can put this paper, this is called mala. I don't know if I'm pronouncing these names right, but you could put this right on the bottom and just like bring it over the easel, and you can also write on paper with colors and everything. So this is so cool. Now my plant stuff. This is a plant stand. It's like a 3-tiered plant stand. I don't know if you can see it from here. I don't want to unbox it because I need to put it together. It's not assembled just yet. All right, so I just wanted to show you what this plant stand looks like. I just put all the plants on it. Just love the way it looks. I think it looks so beautiful in this little corner with all the light. It was a little bit challenging to put together, but I just watched a YouTube video and kind of followed along, and I was able to do it. Now let me show you the greenery. This baby snake plant, this is so cute. It's so little. They were like $5 for these little tiny plants. This one, the snake plant, is real. This one is fake. If you have any tips for me when it comes to plants, leave them down below because I do not have a green thumb. I think this is a eucalyptus plant, I'm not sure. But I love this greenery, and it comes with like a little black pot, but I really like this white one, and I thought it looked really pretty like this. My next real plant is an aloe vera plant. This one up, thought it was very, very cute. And then to go, I got this, it's like a cement looking vase. I love how sleek it is, very simple. Just put it like this. Obviously without the plastic and everything. And then my last greenery is this kind of like falling, I'm really bad with plant names, but it's this. All right, last but not least, kitchen dish towel, but I really like it because it's black and white and they have like different patterns, and I thought this was like really cool. And I actually forgot to show you what curtains I got. They were in another bag, and so I totally forgot to share it in my haul. So I'm gonna input it right here. White linen material with like black here. All right, I think that was everything that I got at IKEA, but I wanted to tell you a little story. As you know from the vlog, it was very hard to find the basket. And what was really annoying is when I went to go check out the basket, the cashier tried to tell me it was a display and did not want to sell it to me. I had to ask for the manager, and the manager was like, yeah, you can sell it to her. This is not a display. Moral of the story, if you want something really bad, just talk to the manager. Anyway, so by the end of it, we all joked about how hard it was to get these baskets, but at the end of the day, we got them. It was all worth it. All right, bonecas, that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this IKEA haul. I love hauls. Why is it that we human beings love watching hauls? Like watching what people buy. If I have inspired you to purchase any of these things, please let me know down below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!